as you can see by the title, while we're here, I got the Cyber Truck.
Oh my God!
Yes, indeedy. Yes, this is the Cyber Truck, but it is not the foundation. It is the all-wheel drive truck. Let's give y'all a closer view. All right, I'm not gonna do a full car review because I'm gonna do another video on it. But I love these tire caps, they fire. But look at these big ass tires. The tire comes to my damn near my waist. Like, that's fire to me. But yeah, so yeah, the car is taller than me as well. But anyway, let me show y'all. I'm gonna show you what real love is if you let me. Fire. Now, I feel like it's either you love it or you hate it. The attention grabber, it's a lot of space in here. Show y'all the back. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna take y'all on a day ride. Time for me to take y'all on a day ride so y'all can see what it's like during the day. Then I'm gonna show y'all the night as well. So stay tuned for that. It's a little difficult, but we're making it happen anyway. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, man. Woo, that's a good ass view. I like this daytime joint. But yeah, I gotta go get my charger for this camera because it's about to die. So you put my Versace glasses on. No flex. Nah, I'm playing. I'm into designer and all that shit, but like, it don't make me. Nothing makes me. I am me. I am the maker. Like, I make this shit fire. Just want to throw that out there, you know what I'm saying? Because a lot of people be thinking that this shit is like a deal breaker or the thing that you need to get to, but really, it's the mindset that you need to get to. But yeah, let's get it. What I do like a lot about this car is the cameras. The cameras, you get the front camera. Shit like a movie, like crazy, fire. Oh my god, shit look hard. And then back camera is just perfect. Now you can't see out the back because of the hatch is closed. If the hatch wasn't closed, then it would be cool. But obviously, you know, I need that open. I mean, I need it closed because they got some mats, and I didn't want to have it in the back seat. I probably should have put him in there now though, but yeah. So I only get to rent the car for 1 day. It's supposed to be for 2 days. If I'm repeating myself, I mean, I don't really see what the big deal is. Like, you know, just relax, you know, take a chill pill. Wait, where's? Oh, okay. Make sure the mic good. I ain't gonna lie, but I'm recording right now. We're recording on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and it's kind of messing up. But whatever, I'm gonna just keep rocking out. But yeah, I'm in Cleveland, Ohio, doing my little drive around. But yeah, so let me talk about the drive. How the car rides. It's very smooth. It's a truck.
Is it?
You know, so
Wow.
I do like the fact that I sit up higher. Bumps don't affect me that much, so it feels smooth. You know, when I'm hitting speed bumps, it's like it's almost like it's just nothing. Like I don't feel it barely. You know, the steering is very. I'm gonna use a word that I don't even know if this is what it means, but intuitive. you don't have to move it much in order for the car to move. So that took some getting used to, because the steering wheel on a regular car, obviously, you gotta move it more. But this is real, like, you know what I'm saying? Like it's like it moves like a boat. Like it's almost like it's floating. That's the best way I can explain it. But like, you really could just, you know what I'm saying? I'm turning, but it's like I'm barely tapping this steering wheel. You really could just, I don't know how they did that, but man, they did a really good job with that. I will say that. Like, and even y'all see when I'm trying to turn, the steering wheel doesn't really go in the full. It doesn't go in the full circle. But yeah, so right now I got the full self-drive on. Honestly, like, it feels so good to have a full self-drive on this truck. In my Tesla, I don't use it. Well, I don't have it, number one. But maybe, honestly, I should buy it. I'm gonna buy it one day, and I'm gonna test it out and do a review on that. So check that out. Make sure y'all check me out on that.
In 1,000 feet, take the Interstate 90 West, Ohio 2 West ramp on the right toward downtown.
Hey, listen, you ain't gotta tell me, bitch, I ain't driving, so, you know, relax. Honestly, man, I think we undervalue this technology. The car is driving by itself. I don't have to touch the steering wheel. That's not, like, we should be blown away by that, but I don't really, it's not giving that vibe, you know, from the people.
Now take the Interstate 90 West ramp on the right.
I'm not doing nothing, I'm chilling. Look, no hands. Look, ma, no hands, no darling, I don't dance. Yeah, make sure y'all show some love to my videos, man. I got good quality videos. I got a good personality, but you know, it get a little difficult trying to be consistent with everything. So I'm finding my way, but you know, I don't really have a niche, because like, who the fuck, you can't marginalize me. Who the hell you tell me that I gotta have a niche? I do what I want. Period. I am the niche. How about that? I'm chilling. Like, I feel comfortable because obviously I've rode Teslas, I've did full self-drive, so I know it is safe. To be honest, the motherfucker drives safer than me. I don't be paying attention. I be going in and out of line and all type of stuff. Like, the fact that it's gonna keep me in line, it's gonna keep me turn the speed up though, at least to like 68, you know. But yeah, I'ma show you where real love is if you let me. I put design on your body cause you're sexy. I'ma show you where real love is if you let me. Those apartments, Shoreline, I love the litter.
In 1 mile,
that's where like all the
Interstate 90 West toward Interstate
like
71,
Cavs player,
Interstate
LeBron and all them, they used to
south.
stay there. Obviously not no more. They well surpassed that. What we are approaching is called Dead Man's Curve. If your ass don't slow down, you're gonna be a dead man. Let's see how smart this motherfucker. We'll see, because I got trucks in front of me, it's gonna slow down. Y'all can't really see the trucks in front of me though, because it's this thing blocking out this. Yeah, it's trucks right there. 2 of them. tired. I ain't gonna lie to you. Bad man, pajama. Alright. My age is showing.
In 1 mile, bear right onto Interstate 77 South.
Get a few assholes like that want to speed around you and shit. But they late for work. Get up earlier. You know? Get your ass up earlier. You ain't gotta worry about all that shit. I wonder if I can give y'all another. I'm gonna try to give y'all another view. Alright, y'all, so I had to go get a charger for my camera because I refuse to drive. I mean, not get the footage that I'm looking for my full video. So right now we about to go ahead and take a little spin through these woods. I wish a nigga would like a tree in this bitch. Try to get y'all a better angle, but that didn't really work out that well. Hey man, but something is better than nothing. Choosers can't be beggars. Well, they probably could, but I don't think we get no video, man. I'm gonna try my best, but this shit is ridiculous. And the sun beaming, I ain't gonna lie. All right, let's get it. Oh shit, man! I'm so used to my car. I'm so used to driving my car. It's kind of crazy, actually. I'm gonna show you real love is if you let me. I put designer on your body cause you sexy. You know you a bad one. Man, I ain't gonna lie, I probably gonna have to end up doing my review with this fucking DJI camera, man. Cause this stupid ass camera not charging or nothing. Yeah, I drove through this like not too long ago. It was pretty nice. I'm gonna give y'all a little driver perspective. So yeah, to be honest, as far as the day review, the daily drive, the day drive, that's it. I don't know. I love this. I love the truck. But to me, I would prefer it to be a cheaper price because the price point that is at, I don't think I would want to do it because I want 2 cars. I want a seat Corvette C8, and then I want another daily driver. So if this becomes cheaper, then I'm gonna get this. But I want 2 cars. I want a truck and a C8. So yeah, so I'll see y'all at the night drive. Peace. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy TC.